If you've ever tasted authentic Mangalorean chicken sukka, you know it's not just a dish, it's an experience. Rich, spicy, coconutty, and absolutely irresistible. Today I'm showing you how to make this restaurant-style chicken sukka right at home. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a classic South Indian favorite Mangalorean chicken sukka. This dish is packed with bold flavors, roasted spices, and a beautiful coconut finish that makes it truly special. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the heart of this dish, the masala. In a pan, add all the spices listed above and get ready to bring out their beautiful aroma. Roast them gently until they release a deep aroma and the spices turn beautifully fragrant. This step is what builds the soul of the dish. Now transfer everything into a blender. Add a small piece of tamarind, 1/2 tablespoon turmeric powder. Blend it into a smooth, rich paste. Keep this aside. In a pressure cooker, add Tyson chicken along with a little water and some salt. Cook it for about 3 whistles until perfectly tender. And while that's cooking, if you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Now, in a vessel or a traditional mud pot for that authentic touch, add some oil. Then add 2 bay leaves, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 chopped onion. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions turn soft and lightly golden. Next, add the cooked chicken along with its flavorful stock. Add salt as needed. Now add the prepared masala paste and sauté it well until the chicken is beautifully coated and the masala blends in perfectly, releasing its rich aroma. In another pan, prepare the coconut mixture. Add some oil and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 2 sprigs curry leaves, 1 chopped onion and 1/2 tablespoon turmeric powder, and sauté for 2 minutes. Add 1½ cup grated coconut. Fry everything until it turns aromatic and lightly golden. Let it cool slightly, then grind it into a coarse mixture. Now add this coconut masala to the chicken. Mix everything gently and let it cook for a few more minutes until the flavors come together beautifully. Now add 2 tablespoons ghee. Finish it off with freshly chopped coriander leaves. And that's it! Your flavorful chicken sukka is ready. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video with another amazing dish. Thank you for watching.